today I am very excited because I'm going to unbox a 360-degree camera. Yay! And here it is, the Yali 360 camera. With this camera, you don't need to point your camera anywhere. It films everything around you. And when you watch a 360 video, you can swipe left or right or up or down. That is amazing! เมียฝรั่ง in บ้านนอก will do a live stream with this. But let us unbox this first. Let's get started! Here it is, the camera. Wow. This is the camera. And this is for the handle camera. Let me. This is the battery. What is this?
Battery.
Yay, good job. Have anything left? I think it must have been an instruction. Huh? Something is down there, everyone. Yeah, something is definitely down there. But how could I even get it up? Ooh, good job. Ooh, this is the instruction and instruction. This must be for the charger or something like that. I don't know. This can be the bag for the camera. I don't know this one. That's it for today. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
กดไลค์กดแชร์กด